This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss. How to install VPN extension in your browser. If you are concerned about your online privacy, security and accessing geo-restricted content, using a VPN can be incredibly beneficial. So stay tuned as we walk you through the simple steps of setting up VPN in your browser. Step 1. Choose a VPN extension. The first thing you need to do is select a reliable VPN extension. There are several options available, but for this tutorial we will be using UrbanVPN. Open your browser and search UrbanVPN extension. Okay, once you find the official website or the extensions page in Chrome Web Store, open it. Okay, click on Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for your confirmation to add extension. Click on Add Extension button. The installation process will be begin and you will see a small download icon near the top right corner of your browser. Okay, as you see, browser is checking the extension. Okay, once the installation is done, this page will be opened. Okay, so you can click on this icon and click on this pin button. As you see, UrbanVPN extension shown here. First we will close it. Click on icon, then click on agree and continue button. Here you can choose a server location from the list of options. Okay, this is where you select the country you want to connect to virtually. For example, we will connect at the USA. Next, we will verify our connection. Open a new tab and search what is my IP address. Open the first website. As you see, our current location shown United States and this is our virtual IP address. Now I will show you my original location by disconnecting the VPN. Click on icon again. Okay, click here to pause the VPN or disconnect the VPN. As you see, VPN is disconnected. Again, refresh what is my IP address website by clicking on reload this page. And this is my actual location and that is Mumbai, India, and this is my actual IP address. Okay friend, now after connecting your virtual location, you can enjoy secure browsing. That's it. You have successfully installed and configured VPN extension in your browser. Now you can enjoy a more secure and private browsing experience. And you can also access the content that might be restricted in your region. Thanks for joining us in this tutorial on how to install VPN extension in your browser. Online browsing is critical and using a VPN is a great step towards protecting your personal information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any question and suggestion, please leave them in comments below. Stay safe and happy browsing. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.